Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add another page in Google Forms. Adding multiple pages or sections helps organize your form and makes it easier to navigate. To add a new page, open your form. As you can see, I have already created one. I have also set a password. Let's say I want to add a new section here. Select the menu and click on Add Section. A new section will now be added. You can give the section a title or a description. For example, let's set a title. You have successfully added a new page. To preview it, click on the Preview button. As you can see, I have set a password. Click next to Continue. Here you can see the new page that was added. I have set the question as required, so it must be answered. Click Next again. Respondents can now move through each section one page at a time. This reduces clutter and improves the overall flow of the form. Adding multiple sections helps organize questions and improve navigation. It also allows conditional paths for different respondents. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.